Hello friends, welcome to GeeksforGeeks YouTube channel. In this video, we'll solve one more tricky C question. Hope you're excited, so let's get started. In the next coming series of 5 videos, we'll try to discuss about increment and decrement operator related codes. So in this video, we'll try to establish the clear clarity between the difference between pre-increment and post-increment, the same way the pre-decrement and post-decrement. This is a given question, int a comma x, where a value is 5 and I'm trying to post increment the a value. See, whenever you post increment the a value will be affected. That means a will be changed to plus 1. So what basically the increment and decrement operators do is that increment and is add it will add 1 and it will subtract 1 from the existing memory location. Whatever the value that has been performed in that, whatever the value that is present in that memory location, that value will be either incremented by 1 or decremented by 1. This is a memory operation. A plus plus is nothing but a equal to a plus 1. So operation will be done in the memory location of a. So coming to a plus plus, as we see the operators plus plus are present after the variable a, so called as suffix increment or post increment operator. So in the case of post increment operator, what will happen is that the a plus plus value will be the original value of a. That is, if you print a plus plus, the value would be 5, but a value would be 6. After increment, a value would be 6. Okay. So in both the cases, whether it is pre-increment or post-increment, the value of a will be affected. But only difference that you will get in the case of a plus plus. Okay. So output would be here, you are printing first x value, x in the sense a plus plus will be executed. So a plus plus will be, as it is a post operator, a plus plus would be 5 only, but as increment has been done, a value would be changed to 6. Okay, this is how post increment works. And whenever we see about pre increment, that is, it is also called as prefix increment. So what happens in the case of pre-increment? Whether it is increment pre or post, a value gets affected. So after this execution of this expression, what will happen? A will be changed to 6. I'm again reinitializing. I'm again rechanging the value to 5. That is the original value I'm taking to understand the difference between each and every type of operator. So again I have taken a equal to 5. Again I'm starting from 5. So x equal to plus plus a. So plus plus a would return the incremented value, and also a would return the incremented value. That is, output will be 6 comma 6. Okay, so clearly observe the difference between pre and post, because this difference will help you to solve many types of questions in the coming sessions. So one thing, that is x value, x is nothing but plus plus a. Here also a plus plus. So here a plus plus is 5, but here plus plus a is 6. But if you observe, in the case of pre, whether it is plus plus a or a, it has been the incremented value. So it is easy to remember about the pre-increment operator. But only difference in the case of post-increment operator will be a plus plus will return the previous a value, but a will return the incremented value after this evaluation, after this expression evaluation. Okay, the only difference is that in the case of pre or post, a value gets changed. That is, a value will be incremented, but a plus plus will return the original value of a, and plus plus a will return the incremented value of a. Changed value it will return. Okay, remember, a plus plus a is different and a is different. Okay, now if you take a equal to 5 and again x equal to a minus 1, that is a post decrement. So decrement will subtract one value. Everything is same, only thing is that it will subtract one value. As it is a post decrement operator, x value, that is a minus minus will be the original value of a, but a will be the decremented value, that modified value, that is 4, similar to pre and increment operator. Similarly, it is a pre-decrement operator, so x value will be modified and a minus a will also return the modified value. Minus a is x value, so that will be modified, and also a value gets modified. Again I am repeating, clearly understand the difference between pre and post. In the case of pre or post, a value will be either incremented or decremented based on the operator that we give, that is, a value gets affected whether it is pre or post. But only difference is that whenever it is a post operator, the incremented it will not return the incremented value. Instead it returns the previous a value only. But in the case of pre, whether it is a, whether it is a plus 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 a, both will return the incremented value. So this is the output of this program, 56665444. So let us compile. Okay, this is how it works. Hope you have got clarity about the difference between pre-increment and post increment decrement operators, and that's it for this session. Thank you for watching the video. I'm pretty sure that you would have enjoyed this video, so please like it, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel for regular updates like this. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.